Today's class: adopting a pet.
Emma is my cousin, and today is her birthday. She told her mum that she would love having a pet. So, her mum took home a fluffy dog. Emma called him Stark. Stark is kind and funny. He loves playing with balls and he eats all the time. Yesterday, we played together on the park, and I took my dog Tom with me. It was very funny. Every day, we take them for a walk. We feed and give them water. And on Saturdays, they take a bath. And they like it very much. As they are too young, it is important to teach them how to behave and take them to the vet when necessary. We love our pets, and we know that all the pets need love and care. Having a pet is fantastic. And you, do you have a pet?
What about subscribing my channel?